Good evening, all. Today, let's learn about history of general microbiology. Um, First, let's learn about Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur, we all know, he is he also known as the father of microbiology. And during his experiments in 1860s, he developed modern germ theory, and also he proved that the food spoiled because of contamination of the invisible bacteria. Next. And he has proposed the principles of fermentation for preservation of food. And he introduced sterilization techniques and develops stream sterilizer, hot air oven, and autoclave. He described the method of pasteurization of milk. Next. He had also contributed for designing the vaccines against several diseases such as anthrax, cholera, and rabies. In 1881, he developed vaccine for anthrax, and Louis Pasteur is considered as progenitor of modern immunology. He disproved the theory of spontaneous generation of disease and postulated the germ theory of disease. And he stated that disease cannot be caused by bad air or vapor, but it's produced by microorganisms present in air. Liquid media concept. He used nutrient broth to grow microorganisms. Why he used liquid media means because liquid media is convenient for use of growing bacteria in test tubes, and that can reveal information about oxygen requirements of bacteria growing within. So because of that, he used liquid media. Next. And he was the founder of Pasteur Institute, Paris. Next slide. The next slide is about Robert Koch. Robert Koch, he used of solid media for culture of bacteria. Elizabeth Hesse, the wife of Walter Hesse, one of Koch's assistants, had suggested the use of agar as solidifying agent. The purpose of using agar as solidifying agent is because of it is having melting properties, and solid agar melts at about 100 degrees C, and liquid agar solidifies at 42 degrees C. Because of its melting properties, he used agar as solidifying agent. And he also introduced method for isolation of bacteria in pure culture. Isolation of bacteria in pure culture is done by many techniques, but the most common way of separating the bacteria cells, the most common method is streak plate method. Described hanging drop method for testing motility. Hanging drop method is used for mainly to see about the organism's movement and also for morphology by taking the living organisms from liquid media. The organisms are taken from liquid media and it's kept in the slide, and by using this method, the morphology of the organisms is finding out. For example, the test is performed on stools to check the range of movement of organisms in Pseudomonas, like many organisms. The next point is discovered bacteria such as E. coli, etc. And he introduced staining techniques by using aniline dyes. Coats phenomena. Roberts Coates observed that Guinean pigs already infected with tubercle bacillus developed a hypersensitive reaction when ingested with tubercle bacilli or its protein. This reaction is called as Coates phenomena. Next is Coates postulates. According to Coates postulates, a microorganism can be accepted as a causative agent of an infectious disease only if the following conditions are fulfilled. They have given some conditions. They should be fulfilled for finding out that coach postulates. The first one is the microorganism should be constantly associated with lesion of disease. The second, it should be possible to isolate the organisms in pure culture from the lesions of the disease. And the third point is the same disease must be result when the isolated microorganism is inoculated into a suitable laboratory animal. It should be possible to re-isolate the organism in pure culture from the lesions produced in the experimental animals. An additional fifth criterion was introduced subsequently, which states that antibody to the causative organism should be demonstrated in the patient's serum. The next point is exceptions to course postulates. It is observed that it is not always possible to apply these postulates to study all the human diseases. There are some bacteria that do not satisfy all the four criteria of course postulates. Those organisms are. They have given some bacteria. These will not satisfy the Coats phenomenon. That is Mycobacterium leprae and Treponema pallidum. They cannot be grown in vitro, however, can be maintained in animals. These organisms is not grown outside, only it will grow in the animals. So these two will not come under Coats postulates. And the third one is Neisseria gonorrhea. There is no animal model, however, bacteria can grow in vitro. Molecular Coats postulates. It was a modification of Coats postulates by Stanley Fatkin. He stated that gene of a microorganism should satisfy all the criteria of Coats postulates rather than the microorganism itself. Next, we are going to see about Paul Ehrlich. He is father of chemotherapy. And he was the first to report the acid-fast nature of tubercle bacillus. And he developed techniques to stain tissues and blood cells. And also he proposed a toxin antitoxin interaction called Ehrlich phenomenon, and also introduced method of standardizing toxin and antitoxin. He proposed the side chain theory for antibody production. He discovered salvarsan, an arsenic compound for treatment of syphilis, hence known as father of chemotherapy. That is, salvarsan is otherwise called as compound 606, and it is a drug which is introduced in the year 1910 for the first treatment of syphilis and also for African trypanosomonasis. This was done by Paul Ehrlich in 1910. The bacteria Ehrlichia was named after him. Next, other important contributors in microbiology. These are important MCQs. And first one is Antony Phillips van Leeuwenhoek discovered single lens microscope and named organism as little animalcules. Edward Jenner developed the first vaccine of the world, the smallpox vaccine, by using cowpox virus. Joseph Lister, he is considered to be the father of antiseptic surgery. He used carbolic acid during surgery. The reason for using carbolic acid because the carbolic acid spray was effective in stopping wounds from getting gangrene. So to prevent gangrene, he used carbolic acid spray. Next, Hans and Christian Gram, he developed gram stain. Ernst Ruska, he was the founder of electron microscope. Alexander Fleming, he discovered the antibiotic penicillin. Elim Mechnikov, he discovered phagocytosis and termed phagocytes. Kleinberger, he discovered the existence of L forms of bacteria. L forms of bacteria is nothing but cell wall will be deficient in those bacteria, and that bacteria which able to grow as protoplasts. So these L forms of bacteria is found out by Kleinberger. And for those bacteria are Helicobacter pylori, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Anthracis, etc. And next, Barbara McClintock, she discovered transposons. That is, these transposons is otherwise called as jumping genes. Next. Walter Gilbert and Frederick Sanger were the first to develop the method of DNA sequencing in 1977. The next, Carrie B. Mullis discovered polymerase chain reaction in 1985. In 1985, they discovered about PCR. Next. Here is a tabular column for discovery of many important microorganisms. Discover organism and discover organism. Augustine Staphylococcus aureus, Neisser Neisseria gonorrhea, Wesselbacum Neisseria meningitis, Loeffler Corynebacterium diphtheriae, Frenkel Streptococcus pneumoniae, Brucey Brucella melitensis, Kitatsato Clostridium tetani, Yersin and Kitasato Yersinia pestis, Sardurin Hoffman Trypnoma palladium, Daniel Carrion Bordilla basiliformis, D. Herlin bacteriophages, W. H. Wells Clostridium perfringens, Epstein and Epstein-Barr virus, Hansen Mycobacterium leprae. Next. Here are some common names of bacteria named after the discoverers. We have seen one example, Paul Ehrlich. Here are some names. That is Kleb lofer bacillus, Corynebacterium diphtheriae, Praed's noccard bacillus, Corynebacterium pseudotuberculosis, Koch Peaks bacillus, Haemophilus aegyptus, Jones bacillus, Mycobacterium paratuberculosis, Gafke Ebrith bacillus, Salmonella typhi, Whitemood bacillus, Burkholderia pseudomallei, Bactibacillus Mycobacterium intracellulare, agent Mycoplasma pneumonia, Pevsis bacillus, Haemophilus influenzae.